exploring the world of crypto coins. Welcome to Exploring the World of Crypto Coins, where we delve into the fascinating realm of digital currencies, decentralized networks, and the future of money. Today, we're unpacking the basics of cryptocurrency and how it's shaping the global financial landscape. Whether you're a complete newbie or looking to expand your knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, which is regulated by banks and governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology. This makes transactions faster, more secure, and, believe it or not, completely transparent. Each transaction is recorded on a block and linked together in a chain, hence the term blockchain. This process makes it nearly impossible to alter or hack the system. Now let's talk about the giants of the crypto world. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Launched in 2009 by an anonymous person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin paved the way for digital currencies. Bitcoin's primary use case? Peer-to-peer transactions without needing an intermediary like a bank. Next, we have Ethereum. While Bitcoin is mainly used as a store of value, Ethereum offers much more. With its smart contracts, Ethereum allows developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, on its platform, making it a hub for innovation. And let's not forget Binance Coin, Cardano, and Solana, each with their unique features and growing communities. So, how do you start your own crypto journey? First things first, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. Think of it like your digital bank account. There are two types: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which store your coins offline for added security. Once you've set up your wallet, you can purchase coins through exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. It's as simple as linking your bank account or credit card to the exchange and making your first purchase. Like any investment, cryptocurrencies come with risks. The market can be volatile, with prices swinging dramatically in a short period of time. Remember, while the potential for high rewards is there, there's also a significant risk of loss. Another risk is security. If you lose access to your wallet or get hacked, there's no way to recover your funds. That's why keeping your private keys safe and using strong security measures is vital. So, what's next for cryptocurrency? The space is evolving rapidly. We're seeing more businesses accept crypto as payment, countries considering digital currencies of their own, and innovations like NFTs and DeFi, decentralized finance, taking the world by storm. The future of crypto is uncertain, but one thing's for sure: it's a revolution in the making. Whether it's reshaping the way we handle money, trade assets, or even interact with digital art, cryptocurrency is here to stay. So, are you ready to dive into the world of crypto? With a little research and a cautious approach, you can start exploring all the incredible opportunities digital currencies offer. Just remember to stay informed, secure, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Thanks for tuning in to Exploring the World of Crypto Coins. See you next time.